Asking for permission is an important part of polite conversation. It helps you show respect and good manners while communicating. English offers several ways to ask for permission politely, each used in slightly different situations. In this lesson, learn how to use expressions like can I, may I, could I, and is it okay if correctly and naturally in daily life. The phrase can I is the most common way to ask for permission. It is friendly, simple, and perfect for informal settings. You can use it when you talk with friends, classmates, or family members. For example, can I borrow your pen? Can I sit here? Or can I open the window? It is short, natural, and sounds very common in daily English. The phrase may I is a more formal way to ask for permission. It sounds polite and respectful, which makes it perfect for schools, offices, and professional settings. You would often use it when you talk to teachers, managers, or people you do not know well. For example, you can say, may I come in? May I ask a question? Or may I leave early today? The phrase could I is also polite, but it feels softer than can I. You can use it when you want to sound extra respectful or when you are not sure if permission will be given. It shows that you are being considerate. Examples include, could I use your phone for a moment? Could I have some water, please? Or, could I see that document? The phrase, is it okay if, is friendly, casual, and relaxed. People use it most often with friends, classmates, or family. It works great when you want to sound natural in conversation but still polite. For example, you can say, is it okay if I sit here? Is it okay if I call you later? Or, is it okay if I bring a friend? Each phrase for asking permission carries a slightly different tone. Can I is casual and very common. May I sounds formal and is used in respectful situations. Could I is polite and slightly softer, showing humility. Is it okay if is completely casual and natural among friends. Choosing the right expression helps you match the situation and maintain good manners. When you ask for permission, the tone of your voice is just as important as the words you use. A friendly tone, a smile, and saying, please make your request sound kind and respectful. For example, can I borrow your marker? Sounds friendly. Could I borrow your marker, please? Sounds gentle and polite. May I borrow your marker? Fits formal situations and shows respect. The difference is not just in the words, but in your attitude. When someone asks for permission, you can answer in a positive way or refuse politely. To give permission, say things like, sure, go ahead. Of course you can, yes, that's fine, or no problem. To refuse politely, say, sorry, not this time. I'd rather you didn't, or I'm afraid that's not possible. The key is to use calm and friendly language, even when you say no. Now it is time to practice making your own sentences. Imagine you are at school and you want to say, may I go to the library, please? Here, may I is formal and polite. At home, you could say, can I watch a movie tonight? A casual and friendly request. At work, try, could I leave a bit early today? A polite and respectful way to ask. Each phrase changes slightly based on where you are and who you are talking to.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.